I'm really proud of where our engineering team is today. When we started in 2011, we had about 5 engineers, just a handful of engineers. And if you flash forward to today, we have approaching 100 engineers.
Here at Hyve, our approach to design is a collaborative one, including a variety of engineering teams we have located across the globe, working hand in hand with our customers to come up with the best fit design for their needs.
At scale, everything becomes critical for the larger customers. So any type of cost savings you have or any kind of expense that you have is just amplified. So it's very important for us that we're able to put a custom solution together that meets each individual customer need.
The design process always starts with a conversation, often some whiteboarding, sometimes it's a napkin sketch. We'll take those design inputs and we'll bring them back to our design centers. And my mechanical engineers will generally take a rough draft, sketch out some initial concepts. And the key is iterative design. It's not just go away for 6 months and come back and show me what you got. It's show the first cut, show the second cut, show the third cut. And we go back and forth, really within a span of days to kind of get that first pass done. The design cycles that we take with our products are much shorter than traditionally would be done in the server space. And that's really to put the product in the hand of the customer faster.
Here at Hyve Solutions, we design products based on 3 things: space, power, and cooling, which helps in reducing the TCO for the data center operators. And that's the very key thing, because that takes into account from system level right up to the facilities level.
We take a rack level design approach, so our customers don't have to deploy the servers one at a time. They can deploy racks at a time, even truckloads at a time. The racks are designed to roll in, bolt down, and be powered up and ready to go in our customers' data centers.
Our designs are always still very much vanity free. So our goal is to make it as efficient as possible. All the frills or extra parts and things are off of it.
Vanity free means like just removing all the components that are not required. So there are a few components on the board that can add up power consumption really. So let's say if it adds up 5 watts at the server level, that means I have to provide 5 watts of additional cooling. That means the facilities has to provide that additional. And if you look at the number of servers in the data center, it adds up.
Our vanity-free design approach applies to serviceability as well. As an example, you're not tearing past a bezel just to get to the important components within the server. Only what you need is there and nothing else. Serviceability is important when you've got thousands of systems to take care of. We don't want our customers to have to use any tools to crack open one of our servers to swap a part.
We run our servers through a gamut of tests set by the industry. And it's typically shocking by package testing and thermal testing. This is to ensure that we provide a robust product for our customers when they receive it.
Our most popular product is the Hyve Ambient series.
It's your no-nonsense server. Basically, it functions more efficiently than any server out on the market.
The Hyve Ambient series is a very simple design that is front I/O and that's able to operate at very high inlet temperatures.
A key feature of the Hyve Ambient series is its focus on efficiency. And that efficiency is both power and cooling. The ambient name itself comes from the fact that these are designed for an elevated ambient inlet temperature. The Hyve Ambient series has resonated with our customers because it's easy to deploy in service, is cost effective to acquire and operate, and is highly flexible.
I've worked on the ambient product from the beginning. Right, so I've seen the metamorphosis of that product and it's evolving. I think it's becoming more elegant as time goes by. The reason why we're successful with our designs is because we challenge each other. And we're not afraid to kind of speak up whether or not we have a differing opinion. And I think that's the reason why like a lot of our designs are so successful.
It continues to be a progression, so there's always new technology that comes along, and Hyve is always adapting our products to make sure that we're able to take advantage of the newest technologies. So today, while our customer base is really the largest scale data center customers, we're actually seeing a lot of demand and interest from that next tier down. And so what we're doing is trying to adapt the Ambient series to be able to allow some of these customers that have a more traditional requirement for servers to take advantage of what we've been able to innovate.